Yo fam, Robin. Some more. I'm not gonna post this, but Gary and Jim. That's that Dodge. Sorry guys. Yeah, the Sweptside. 57 Dodge. Look, there's Hoosier mags on it. And I was slowly trying to etch out the little bottom pieces. First I did it by hand a little bit, and then I tried using the Dremel. Oh man, did that hurt. So my hand's not back to par. So that's my good hand. I'm not used to using my left one, so. But anyway, well, a happy wheel swap, but painful one, but this means I ain't giving up. So, there you go, fellas. Sister. That's something I love to do for Sarah, my Nigerian friend. So make her a custom car. She can email me and tell me what one she'd like me to make her. Because I'll help them make my friend Sarah a groovy little custom car. You know. Anyway, love you fam. Hope you're all doing alright. So sorry, this is kind of low tech my cell phone. So.